I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select WS Form. To integrate the WS Form, go to the WS Form and navigate to the action. To add a new action, click on the plus icon and give it a meaningful name. Choose action. Choose type. Give here a hook tag. So go to the integration site. Under the note, copy the hook tag, then paste it on the WS form. Save and close it. Now go to your integration site and choose a form. Next, search and select BuddyBoss. Connect. Next, choose an action. I am choosing to add the user to a group. Choose a group. Member will be added to the groups when you log in as your user and fill in the form. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Go to your BuddyBoss dashboard and navigate to Groups. View. Under the group, you can see that the member has been added successfully to the group. Thanks for watching.